Introduction to Computer Networking. Today's lesson, we're going to learn about computer networking. Whenever you think about networking, you think about communication. I assume you have no knowledge about computer network. When we say computer network, what does computer network means? A computer network is a collection of interconnected devices such as computers, servers, routers, switches, etc. that communicate with each other to share resources, data, and services. These computer network devices use a system of rules called communication protocols to transmit information over physical or wireless technologies. There are four main types of computer networks. We have the LAN, which is the local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, WAN, which is the WAN, the wide area network, and the PAN, personal area network. The diagram here shows how communication occurs in the computer network. Starting from the local area network. The local area network is a computer network that connects devices in a single geographic area, such as a home, office, or a school. With this type of network, it is often used for connecting computers and devices within a single location. Some of the advantages of this network is that it is cost effective. Local area networks are usually less expensive to set up and maintain than the wide area network. Another advantage of the local area network is that it's resource sharing. The local area network allows employees to share files and printers, which can increase productivity. Another advantage is its flexibility. The local area network can be customized to meet the specific needs of an organization or institution. The last advantage I'll talk about is its security. With the local area network, it is easier to secure than all the other networks because they are confined to a single building or campus. Let's talk about its disadvantages. The local area network have several disadvantages, but I would like to talk about just two of them. One, limited geographic range. The local area network are typically restricted to a single building or campus, and due to that, it makes it very difficult for people to access the network from a distance because the local area network typically covers a distance of 100 to 1000 meters. Another disadvantage I'll talk about is hardware failure. With the local area network, if hardware fails, the network may not function properly or not at all. The next type of network that we will talk about is the wide area network, WAN. This type of network covers a large geographical area, such as a city, country, or even globally. The internet itself is the largest example of wide area network. As you can see the diagram here, we have a campus LAN, wireless LAN, dial-up connection, building frame, and many more. Advantages of the wide area network is that it enables users to share information across extended distance, unlike the local area network, which exceed just 1000 meters. The disadvantage of this is that during the delivery of the message or the file or the data, there may be data outcrowding or any error can occur which can lead to data lost or for the data to lose its quality. The MAN, which is the Metropolitan Area Network. It's a computer network that connects users and resources within a geographic region, such as city or large college campuses. The Metropolitan Area Network is also designed to connect multiple local area networks and provide high-speed data transmission. And it is often used by businesses, government organizations, and educational institutions to support data, voice, and video communication. Advantage of the Metropolitan Area Network is that it is cost effective because to implement they require fewer resources than the wide area network, and it also offers more security than the wide area network. The disadvantage of this type of network is that it requires more cables before it can be connected from one place to another. Lastly, the personal area network. This type of network is a small-scale network designed for personal devices, and it is mostly used for connecting a smartphone, laptop, and smartwatches via Bluetooth. Advantage of this type of network is no wire required. PAN don't require wires, so you can connect devices by enabling Bluetooth. Another advantage is it is easy to use. PAN are easy to use and don't usually require many configuration. It is also reliable, portable, and data synchronization. Personal area network can sync devices to make it easier to manage and access data. Disadvantages of personal area network. Personal area network have a limited range, using around 10 meters, and are only suitable for close range communication as compared to other types of network which has a large range or large meters. It also have limited capacity. The number of devices that can be connected within a PAN is limited. Thank you for watching. For our next video, we're going to learn about network topologies. If you find this video effective, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment.